Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Today, about insecurity, the governors and the native doctors in Nigeria. Now, their news we get for Ona today. Remember, say somebody like Devumahi don't call the native doctors, make them go register with the police personnel in Nigeria. Meaning say now not be police matter to fight insecurity again. For Nigerian government, they don't resort to the native doctors. They don't call on the native doctors. Before, now police we know see now them they handle the insecurities. Forces when that country or anywhere in the world, now them we know see now then they handle insecurity situation. But today, the power that be they let us know now see they not fit fight the insecurity issue again. In our native doctors, now them will help them fight the whole thing out to defeat the insecurity in Nigeria. This is laughable, ladies and gentlemen. This is laughable. How in a heck Nigeria government would they call native doctors, make them come fight Boko Haram, fight bandit, fight herdsmen, fight unknown gunmen, fight kidnappers, fight Ansaru, fight ISWAP, fight all of them. The power self when the native doctors they claim to them get, it not there anywhere. Just like the pastors. When we say today, when all of us they live in this so-called coronavirus, pastors when they everywhere in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, we never hear see any of them heal somebody when get this their fake coronavirus. Everything what they do now pay to play, just like the native doctors. Because if native doctors actually have that power, kidnappers no go dey reign in that country. If native doctors get power, those people what they call herdsmen people, they no go dey kill people. Now when it come be say things don't get out of hand, governors nothing, Buhari nothing, APC, PDP all combined together nothing. Now native doctors that they call. Well, anyway, we go they watch, we go sit down, they watch these people to see how they want to fight this insecurity with the native doctors all over Nigeria. But before we go into the readings, make we take a look at somebody like Bola Tinubu waiting in Yan today regarding people when they do agitation regarding Oduduwa and Biafran people when they agitate. Tinubu says something today when blow my mind, and I believe say it will still blow all of our mind as well, because these people now deceivers, all of them be okay, now deceivers. Tinubu they tell Nigerian people say they don't want fight war again because they don't fight war before. Nigeria is better, but now only mouth they take claim say Nigeria na one country. In reality, even those say they never divide that country or the country never disintegrate, we don't already see Nigeria not be one country presently at the moment. Because if Nigeria now actually one country, things when they happen, no going to happen. Marginalization, nepotism, killings, all these things, even up to the northern people can go carry Boko Haram, go dump in Biafran land. If not, they happen. So why is Bola Tinubu claiming, say, as we did so today, say Nigeria are one country? When nepotism full in Buhari's government, when somebody like Issa Pantani, a terrorist man, na communication minister, they sell people's identity to Boko Haram people. So we now understand what Bola Tinubu means, say Nigeria is better as one nation, because that Nigeria not be one nation at moment. Okay, and Tinubu they talk all these things because of his greed, because of his because in the aim presidency. That's just the reason why. Tinubu not like Yoruba people, not to talk of Nigerian people. Tinubu only like his own family. Tinubu only like his own family, because we know what Tinubu do in 2019 to Biafran people with his wife. So the reason why Bola Tinubu they claim say he good make Nigeria stay one, because the war when they fight years back, say they don't want them again, now because say in the I presidency. In fact, the Yoruba people, when they agitate for Oduduwa, they don't tell Tinubu say no going back. Biafran people, when they agitate for the sovereign state of Biafra, don't tell them say no going back. The only thing when they want na Biafra. Oduduwa people say the only thing when they want na Oduduwa. When Mazen Nnamdi Kanu they agitate before alone, before this Yoruba people come out, that is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. When they agitate alone, we not see Bola Tinubu come out. They talk this kind of thing when they talk today. Because NCC water don't pass Gary. NCC Nigeria don't already break up. In fact, many prominent Nigerian people, according to the one they call them, all of them don't agree say the country not they work again, including some traditional rulers from the east and the ones from the west. They don't claim say no, this country not a work. Tinubu no go ever save you. Tinubu no go ever save anybody if him become, although we know say Tinubu na mouth in there, because he don't already see and he don't already hear waiting the northerners yan. The northerners say they won't do restructuring, and in fact say they don't leave that position for anybody, because them be superior, and people from the south and from the west, all of them are infidel to them. Okay, so Nigeria never be one, and Tinubu presidency went in the eye na null and void, according to them, when be politicians in Nigeria. Okay, again to PDP people, Atiku Abubakar dey is still there alive, but the news say he not in Nigeria. He dey his comfort zone in Dubai, where he don't loot all our money go. They there relax. The issue about insecurity, Atiku never come out one day. The issue about Hesmin, Atiku never condemn one day. The issue about Boko Haram, Ansaru, all of them, Atiku never condemn any of them one day. But election time go reach, Atiku go swing out from where he hide, say he won't be president, make people vote for now. The man refused to go back to Cameroon. Remember, say even AGF, Attorney General of the Federation, don't claim say he must to deport Atiku Abubakar back to Cameroon. By the time when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the man when they see tomorrow, when they nyan the matter, AGF no come and say Atiku na Cameroonian. But now when industry say in the I presidency as well, that is Malami. In the claim say in come out now, come the support with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Don't say Atiku na Cameroonian. So Atiku hide in the foreign nation. Anytime when election reach, those of una when they chant PDP, now una with this insecurity matter they go, because a stubborn fly when no gree give chance, now they follow dead body, they enter grave. All of una be PDP and APC people. Even up to this moment, when insecurity situation don't get out of hand, una no one turn back against APC and PDP. That is why from Kidi say all of una go follow this insecurity matter. Waka. One day, Boko Haram, Hesmin, na knock, then go they knock on top all of una door, one after the other. Tinubu once again wants to come load Nigerian People's Treasury, put for 100 million bullion van, because the two when don't thief before, in Orisha, he won't come thief more. People's properties, when in claim in Lagos State years back, when in be governor, he wants to come back, come begin claim everybody's property. Tinubu, you are not going anywhere. Oduduwa say na Oduduwa them want. Biafran people say na Biafra them want. Keep on deceiving yourself. Keep on deceiving yourself. All the whole nyanens when they nyan concerning war, when they fight before in Biafran land, when they kill millions of Biafran people, and everything went to Bunyan today regarding war, say that Nigeria don't want any war. Nobody want war. Yoruba people say they won't go peacefully. Biafra people say they won't go peacefully. Give them referendum. That is all. All the whole thing where you don't yan pertaining the agitators today. Now your own personal opinion. So now your own personal opinion. Make we see how the native doctors won't invade the Boko Haram people, because we don't know where that power will come from, and we don't know how they want to do it. But the governors don't support the move. Just exactly the same way Buhari, when on the call, take support Pantani as #1 terrorist in Nigeria. Insecurity, native doctors might play a crucial role in tackling insecurity and dissolving terrorism, according to the news. In the last decade up to date, Nigeria has been facing a lot of security challenges posed by terrorist group Boko Haram and ISWAP in the northern region, followed by banditry, unknown gunmen, herdsmen. Now they add ESN. ESN, they are not terrorists, ladies and gentlemen. Those people are there to defend Biafran land. Okay? But the writer added ESN people. Okay? The government's effort to tranquilize the seemingly growing security threats is commendable. However, those attacks kept happening in most parts of the country, and these have left several question marks in our security system. Most hardened Nigerian criminals make use of charm and juju to successfully carry out attacks and even avoid being shot. Criminals can be seen with various charms on their body, which they use as some sort of protection against the security operative. An example of this can be seen on the body of the late ESN commander Ikonso after he was slain by Nigerian security forces. In light of this, we can all agree that native doctors can also be used by security operatives to fight against crimes in the country if the government can harness their ability and take them away from criminals. We might just see positive changes in the security states of Nigeria. In fact, native doctors might just serve as our own intelligence experts who can help to locate criminals hideout. So why can't be say all this why native doctors are never do it? If they know where criminals they hide, according to the way they claim now, say native doctors, they go feel know where the criminals that they hide. Whereas these native doctors, they are in Nigeria there since day one, and none of them don't feel point out. Say, they won't go carry attack there, they won't go carry attack here, or maybe see where these people they hide. But these people now, when they write all these things, and the governors, all of them now agree, say native doctors feel help them solve the insecurity wahala when they get in Nigeria. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you know, say, or you feel say, these people, when we native doctors say they will feel solve this insecurity problem, come to our comment section, come let us know. And if you know, say the North East solve, just exactly the way when Funky D worldwide they believe say all these things na just shakara. They don't know what to do again. They don't know. They don't run out of ideas. This one show us say, Nigeria don't finish as a nation where army, AK, when the police, all of them failed. DSS them when they make faga, all of them failed woefully to tackle this insecurity problem. Now they don't want to go meet native doctors. This is laughable once again. If you get anything when we say you won't come tell us, come to our comment section. Konyana. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To Bola Tinubu, nobody won't fight, nobody won't war, waiting people want a referendum peacefully. And also, they won't leave the zoo. You cannot force anyone to be with you. In fact, your own people, you did there when they choose to, go for Oduduwa nation. You when be Tinubu, you did among the people when they cause the problems when they that Nigeria. So your people don't count you as a Fulani man. They not regard you as a Yoruba man. That's why they said, no, you cannot contest in 2023. All right. One love, everybody.